Hi, this is Matt Sorensen with Midland GIS Solutions. This demonstration will be focusing on the measure distance and measure area tools that are built into our Integrity WebGIS platform. Now, to get to the measure tools, the first thing you'll do is click on the Analysis tab in the upper left-hand corner. And then here about midway through this toolbar, you're going to see a distance tool and then an area tool that you can select. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll do the area tool first. You can click on that, and if we're going to be doing area, obviously it's going to be it's going to give you an option to select different area units. Typically we'll default to acres, but you can also change this to square feet or square yards or so forth and so on. I'll go ahead and leave it at acres here. So you're able to just randomly pick points on your map if you want, but you can also now enable snapping. So I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to get an area. Let's say this parcel of land right here. Someone may be wanting to know what the acreage would be approximately. You know, if they split this in half, you know, split it right here and split this into two pieces. So, and I want to actually be able to snap to the parcel vertices, or the points and the edges along the edge and the vertices of this parcel. I will click on Enable Snapping, and then I can select the snapping layers as well. So if I click on this box right next to it, it's going to open up a window over on the left that's basically says our snappable layers. So I want to snap to the parcel layer, so I just want to go ahead and check parcel, and then you're going to see this little circle with a halo around it. You're going to see that now it's automatically snapping to the edge or to the vertice of that parcel. So what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and just start here, go straight across and click to the edge of this parcel here, and then go up along that, and just as I'm going around, whenever I want to stop the measurement, I just click with my mouse, then I get to my beginning point, or end point in this case, and double click, and then on the screen it will actually show each measurement on each line that I've clicked, and then also the total area in acreage. And then of course the total perimeter of the distance that I've measured around that. And at this point you can print this out. You're going to notice if I zoom in a little bit closer, it's going to orientate the dimensions and so forth around there. And then I can also I can edit that, I can erase each measurement that I do, or just go ahead and clear it all out all at once. So I'm just going to go ahead and click clear, click OK. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and disable snapping, and let me turn on another layer here. I'm going to go down and turn on some utility data. Here we go. Okay, so now I've got the sanitary sewer layer showing up here, and I'm going to want to measure a distance. So let's say right here we're looking at, wanting to extend a sewer line from this existing manhole over to this location by this property. So I can go ahead and pick the measured distance, and it's going to default. You're going to see there's some different units of measurement here. It's going to default to feet, and then I can enable snapping once again, select my snapping layers, and I don't want to snap to parcels now. I would actually want to snap to utility layer, sewer, and I want to actually snap to that manhole. So now it's going to automatically, you're going to see it's going to snap right to that manhole centroid. I can click right there and then drag my line to approximately where I want it to go. Let's say we're going to be looking at putting a new manhole right at that point. So I can double click, and it's going to give me that measurement on the screen. And then, once again, I can, if I want to print this information out, I can do that. I can continue measuring other distances, And I don't necessarily have to snap to anything else. I can just come out here and click up here. Oops, there we go. There we go. And so then I can actually go through and erase one of those if I want to. I can just pick that line, click that, okay, and it'll erase that line. So I can go through and actually go through and erase each one of those individually if I want, if I messed up and want to start over. So that is the basically quick demonstration of the measure distance and measure area tool. Thank you.